No, Asaridokubo has become too hazardous to always have his name mentioned. In a situation, he has no pedigree. He has no record. To talk when you talk about issues that is happening to in River State currently between Fubara and Wike. Asaridokubo is someone who should not come into the picture of sanity. Because what we are looking at is sanity, and Asaridokubo is out of it completely. He has become a nuisance to the society currently now, and for me, I'm looking at it from the perspective that at this point in time, there's no time Wike does not say he make mistake. When Secondus was to be the national chairman of PDP, when he fell out with Wike, he said, I made a mistake. Amadou Sharif, I made a mistake. The same Wike. Tambuwa, I made a mistake. The same Wike. Now, Fubara, I made a mistake. The same Wike. Nigerians are saying and asking, what is Wike interest in the affairs of River State? John Mbata made Wike local government chairman of Obiabo in River State. Somebody made Wike. Do you understand what I'm saying? Amechi contributed. Rotimi Amechi contributed. Ome had them. Peter delayed them. They all contributed. Then, after all said and done, there was a resolution, a political resolution, cheered by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, talking about Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to resolve the crisis between Fubara and Wike. And Wike has refused to honor that resolution according to our findings. And that is why it looks like Tinubu is trying to distance himself before he gets to a level of damage control. Because the way it's going, Wike is going to put a dent on Tinubu's administration. And the ethnic lords in Nigeria has been warning that if anything goes wrong in River State, Nigerian democracy and even Nigeria itself might go down. The next Ohanese president is coming from River State. And I believe that Simi Fubara should sit properly now and call a spade, be governor of that state. Heaven will not fall. And thank God the guy has been taking, threatening steps. Unbelievable steps. He has just appointed a new Attorney General of River State. He has a new speaker. Any moment from now, he has his commissioners. Fubara needs to work because he has the mandate of the River State people, not Wike, not 27 lawmakers we're talking about. So, that's my own perspective. If the presidency feel that they're not going to intervene, and of course, nobody should push Fubara to the wall, because the consequences is enormous, because he's still enjoying the constitutional powers as the governor of that state. Wike might have some political powers, some few, but he has no constitutional powers. And he goes and do anything funny. Wike and his 27 lawmakers will have themselves
So what can you say about Fubara probing Wike?
Bad. You know, they took him for. When you look at a lion and you look at it, you say that the humble looking of a lion does not mean that the lion is weak. Fubara has shown patience. He has shown character. He has shown that he was somebody who is ready to work with everybody. He has shown that he's peaceful. But unfortunately, the same people he accommodated said they will remove him from the office. And anything that he's going to do in form of attack, if it detects probing Wike, let him go ahead, 100%. Let us see whether Wike is actually a saint. Let us unveil this Wike for once. And that is what Fubara is going to do. And that is what he's about to do. You should go ahead and probe Wike.
So if he's found, if Wike is found guilty, what?
EFCC and put him inside jail.
EFCC will do that based on his political powers. Wike
he's on an appointment. He has no political power. He is on appointment. He has no political power.
For Fubara, I think 2022 EFCC they wanted to probe. I think it was Anton General. They wanted to probe him, and I think EFCC for 1 billion naira. That was in 2022. Then he was working as the Anton General of Rivers State. But do you not think that Wike will use that against?
Let me tell you, who do Wike want to probe? Fubara? Of course.
Wike was governor, so there's no way.
Okay, oh no. If you have anything against Fubara, what are you waiting for? The game is open. The floor is open. Show your dancing steps. Let us know who knows how to dance properly. Don't wait until they say this thing. It's probing you, and if you found wanting, you'll be arrested and you face the FCC and face the court. And that is what we are saying. That anybody that is found wanting should be called to face the law. And if they probe and find out that there was misappropriation of River State money, it is a criminal offense. And I don't think Tinubu will want to shed any form of criminality, have any form of bad record in his cabinet. So Wike has to go and answer those questions. It's as simple as that. And that's my take on that.
Okay.